How to make Discord use less RAM on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Discord app, then click on User Settings at the bottom left. In here, scroll down on the left side and click on Accessibility. In here, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Sync Profile Themes. Turn that off. Then turn off Sync Contrast Settings. After that, simply click on Automatically Play GIFs when Discord is focused. Turn that off. Turn off Play Animated Emoji as well. Then at the left side, click on Voice and Video. In here, scroll down and then turn off Echo Cancellation. Then turn off Automatic Gain Control if you want to. After you've done that, simply restart your Discord. After you've restarted your Discord, come to the same page. In here, scroll down and then click on Advanced. Turn off Developer Mode. After that, you're good to go. This is how to make Discord use less RAM on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.